Hello guys, today we make croissant bread. I don't know if it's the right name. In Italy it's called scrocchiole or crocchiole, but because it's a bread made in layers like the croissant, I decided to give it this name. If you know the real name, please write me down in the comment. I will change the title. For the recipe, I put 5 grams of dry yeast in 250 ml of water. I will tell you the ingredient step by step, but don't worry, you can find the list of the ingredient under the video and also on my website that now is updated and now is also in English. So if you have some doubt, you can read the recipe directly on my website. If not, you can ask me here under the video in the comment. Now we add a little bit of flour and we stir very well. Ten grams of salt and 30 grams of sugar. $50 grams of extra virgin olive oil. And now we can add all the flour that in total is 500 grams. When our dough is ready, we should let it rest 10 minutes. During this time we can prepare a kind of cream made with butter and flour. 90 grams of butter at room temperature and 40 grams of flour. Now with a fork we smash the butter and after we add the flour. I divided my dough in 8 pieces, shaped as a ball. Try to make all of them big the same. It's very important after when we will bake it them, because if you make someone small, someone big, the small one will be very dry and the big one maybe will be raw. If you make the same, will be easier. If you cannot feel with your hands, you can use the scale. Now we should wait 20-30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we take our dough, we should flat it and give this shape, long shape. As usual, I have no tool, so I use a glass bottle. Now, here we put our butter cream, a small thin layer. Now we should roll it again. You can decide if to give him a shape of a croissant, or also you can roll on himself, will be bread shape, but don't worry, the taste will be the same. Spectacular. We cover and wait at least 30 minutes. They need to double. Don't worry, they are homemade, so all of them have different shape. See you in 30 minutes. And now we should bake our bread in the oven preheated at 180 Celsius degree. We will bake it for more or less 20 minutes. And after 25 minutes at 180 Celsius degree, they are baked, they are ready. My oven is to be weak, so for this bread or other bread I need always 5-10 minutes more. Now we should wait that they become a little bit cold, and after we can taste it. But before I let you hear the sound, they are very crunchy. Now the best will be our homemade sun-dried tomatoes or homemade cheese. I will eat with Nutella. Spectacular. Outside is crunchy, inside is very soft. You can hear. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some suggestion or some recipe similar to this or some bread recipe that you want to share with us, you can write me down in the comment, send me an email or on Instagram. Bye bye! Spectacular!